Nigeria Center for Disease Control. Now I want to talk to. So can't is the bother me make me want to talk to now. Because the same way they bother me, I should say now they bother the mind of every Nigerians. Nigeria Center for Disease Control, NCDC. We beg on the name of God, make on a transparent for this matter of this coronavirus pandemic where they rob us for this country. We know they everywhere, they the world. But at a time, when not they transparent with us. If not true, say on get say they break, we'll just see news for everywhere. Say we get 200 cases, we come up for this Nigeria for coronavirus matter. There's something now they begin share them for different states. This state get 2, this state get 3, this state get 4, this state get 5. At least as now they mention those places we get on. What are they put the people name? What do we want now be that? Put the people name, put their address. People where they that area when it and put the address. Maybe find out that we go to believe that the sickness there exists. Then that people where they that area go be very careful. If not this sickness not there, man forget this lockdown matter. Maybe people go about their normal activities. The way on our way they do this thing, this Nigeria Center for Disease Control, they do this matter. You can't be like say, when they use this matter of this coronavirus, they reach on a pocket. And it's very, very annoying to win Nigerians the way would they see. Tomorrow they say they bring this kind of money. This one tomorrow they bring this kind of money. With all this one they see they do say the Nigerian government say they borrow money. What don't I call they borrow the money they do now? How the ones they say bring for people, what don't I use they do? More than not they use the condition they can't be like say world day. Those of us don't experience 1 or 2 crises before, we know how the time be, and it is not sweet. So we take God the beg on the Nigerian Center for Disease Control. I do this video for transparency and to ask on if the cure that day make on tell us. I be the cure that day. Today they discharge number of people. Those people who they discharge, they come outside, they come do testimony. At least who God do something for, they go church, they go do Thanksgiving. Say God do something for them. People go follow and happy. At least if I'm not discharge anybody, more we still they know. Mona put their address and every other thing. We should be all this way. We say today, tomorrow, here and there. Another story on the other. And I call they put fear for Nigerians' Nigerian people body. See, make I just tell you now the truth. If this coronavirus matter of it, you know they exist for Nigeria. Mona forget every other matter. More live our normal life. Because at the end when I go to talk now, I know the reason waiting with the young boys they talk. Some time I go to say, yeah, waiting the elders sit down, they see young boys climbing rock country, you not go see him. It depends on whether that very old man, whether he gets sense when he then young. You know, expect somebody when move from waiting the young, come they could be get sense for old age. It not be apple like that. Because we don't say our papa that the ones who don't old, they themselves they think like small children. Which level? NCDC, more I help this country, more will move forward. Forget all the other matters. So can't all the robbers for this country already before more not they add so can't got the journal. More they thought through. Maybe people not got the reason not say was because we black in skin now, so they definitely our mind black. One not they tell the name of this country, Nigeria. NCDC, more they transparent. Transparency not be without the cry for now. I beg. My people when they watch this video, in case I who don't watch, make it share, make it post. Just do this one, make it reach their hand. Both the Nigeria Center for Disease Control for the state and that of the federal. Make it share, make it reach all of their hand. Make them know say Nigerians they ask all these questions. We won't see the people and we won't know their address. But we know that this thing they remain with them very careful. So that anyone you know say your area get out, one person get out for the area, everybody go take careful. Down to the lock us unnecessarily for inside house. You know work. Now what made me do this video be that. NCDC, transparency is the watchword. Thank you.